Okay.
Dear learners, how are you? I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Firstly, I want to introduce myself to you. You know that I am Mr. Nasiruddin, assistant teacher, Abdulaziz High School. Then I added that I on behalf congratulated to you online classroom. Dear students, have you ready to receive my class? Okay, I am going to tell my class. Dear learners, you know that there are some ill-fated women who live in the village. They no chance to another woman in the class. Which woman I tell about her? Okay, thank you. I am going to start the scene passage about Shamima. First of all, I want to read out the Shamima story. Listen to me. I shall read out for you. Shamima, it was 1995. Shamima was 15 years old. She got promoted to class 8. Shamima had all the dreams of adolescent. She wanted to bring about a change in her life. She wanted to see happiness in her family too. She knew she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. 15 years old, Shamima's dream were nipping the bud. Her father wanted to marry off her against her will. Marrying of a under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. Shamima did not want to marry, but nobody paid any heed to her. They arranged her marriage with a much older than her. All her tears and protests went in vain. Shamima was married off to Kamaluddin Joaddar. Dear students, in this situation, Shamima reading class 8, but her father wanted to marry much older than a person, Kamaluddin Joaddar. I suggest you, if any situation on you, you have to communicate the first committee, first TNO. Inform him, he would help you, not the Mary at the time. Okay, this story I found some words, pronunciation and synonyms. I shall be right. And look at me. I am going to write some words in the whiteboard. Dear students, start. It is synonym begin. Then word tell. And it is synonym words say. After that, the word listen. These are synonym words. Here. Dream. Aim. Start, begin, synonym. Look at the whiteboard, dear students. Tell, synonym is say. Listen, synonym is hear. Dream, synonym is aim. My dear students, in this word or synonym are here, you have increased the word. You can able to say English and able to carry out the exam hall. If you go to the exam hall, you have to forget any paragraph. But you have stored the what vocabulary you can write very well. The paragraph and application and essay, etc. etc. Dear learners, I am going to some answering question. Follow me. Who was Shamima married off to? Who was Shamima married? Married of two. That is answer. Shamima was married of Shamima was married of Kamaluddin. Kamaluddin Juaddar. That is the first question answer. Number two question. When was the she married off? That is the very important question. When was the married off? When was the married off? She married off. Answer. married off at the age of 15. Shamima got married at the age of 15. It is not allowed because our government gave the rules of whenever attain the girl 18, he could marry. And under 18 against the law, and any time to arrest by the administration. Number 3 question. Why did all her tears Why did all her tears and protest tears and protest go in vain? All I can write the answer. That is, answer is all her tears and protest go in vain. Because nobody paid any heed to her. I shall write the number 4 question. Did Shamima have any dream? Did Shamima have Look at the answer. My dear students, it is answer Shamima had a dream. Shamima had a dream. I added that Shamima wants to become happiness, and he want to getting a good job, and he fulfill her dark and fulfill her happiness to her family. In the situation, we found many girls are victim for this reason. Whenever any girl student are reading class 6 or 7, their guardian would mad when he depart from his house. It is not the good way. I request you, any students can this situation, you should communicate with us. You should communicate with the TNO, we should communicate with the OC. I also suggest you that they would help you. Thank you very much. Next I am going to write the homework. I am going to write the homework. Dear students, follow me. What did Shamima dream of? First question, what did dream? Next question, is Shamima selfish? Why? Is Shamima selfish? Why? That is your homework. Dear students, you know that epidemically COVID-19 spread out all over the world. So you have to stay at home and safe. Today I have completed my class. I request you will be attention the online class. Thank you very much. Thank you for all. Hey Babu!
Keep this one.